What up, guys? In this video I'm gonna do a quick wrap job. I'm gonna wrap this guy here in carbon fiber. So I'm gonna take all those buttons out of there. I'm gonna wrap with this and I'm gonna cut the holes again and put the buttons back in place. Alright, so we need to take all of this out of here. I'm gonna disconnect the power. We also need to clean this here with a water-based duplicolor degreaser. So let's do it. Okay, so first thing we're gonna do is we're gonna get this grease remover. And by the way, the link is in the description. You cannot have a grease remover that is I guess it's water-based, because it's gonna melt. This is acrylic. So yeah, so now we let it dry a little bit. We can help out. And the way this goes is like this. So I'm gonna wrap this side. Just take it out of here. This is very, very thick. So I'm gonna try to lay this as flat as I can. And I also want this to be straight. So I need to be sure that this goes straight with my lines. So there you go. Yeah, this is very, very simple. Now I can take out of here. This is, as you saw on the title, it's eBay. So what we're gonna do now, I need to heat this up, and I'm gonna push and pull on the side so it gets right in there. So this is what I'm gonna do. Gonna heat up a little bit. Not a lot. And I'm gonna get a triangle shape and pull it inside. And do the same thing. There you go. So I'm gonna pull it and pull it inside. So this is because I want this to stay. So when I heat this up here now, it should hug it. Yeah. So this side here is the same thing. I'm gonna leave this so I can get it, but I need to pull a triangle shape, and when I heat again, this is gonna hug on the bottom. It's already hugging. Ideally, I should not just lay flat. I should just pull it like this and let it go. See? Pull and let go. So when I heat up again, it won't come out. And same thing here. Now we heat up and see what comes back. So far nothing. Yeah, especially on the corners. That was one of the mistakes I made wrapping my car. And then we're gonna cut in there. There you go. Now I gotta do the same thing in here, and it should be good to go. Alright, so let's go in the car now and let's put the things back in here. Woo, look at that. Smoking hot. Look at this. Bang. Nice. Wow. And alright guys, this is how I wrap my cluster button, cluster button, whatever you want to call it. This is real carbon fiber, and that's the eBay wrap paper. So it's pretty cool. I love the result. It's good to touch. It looks amazing. I love it. I love it, and it kind of matched the whole thing. I might wrap the whole all those trim in here, which is kind of wood color. There's some trimming here, there. I might wrap all of it. It's gonna be dope. Alright, so I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope this helped you a little bit. Check out my other videos. I have a lot of videos of me wiring this thing, making that cluster, button cluster, racing cluster, but whatever that thing is, poking the holes and putting the buttons and all that stuff. So, and also check out my website www.carmodsgarage.com, and I'll see you on the next video.